Hello guys, good morning. So from the previous clips, as you may have seen, I showed like several clips of the state of my room today. Today is going to be a very busy day for me because I have some things listed out I need to do, like clean up my room. I need to go for one of my dental appointments today. I'm planning on getting braces really soon. On my way back, I am going to be stopping by at the market. I can't say market or store because I'll show you guys what I mean. So I want to get some fruits because I need to juice some fresh fruits. I want to stay off sugar right now. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make jollof rice, like the way I do it. So I need to clean up my room, change my sheets, do some laundry, wash my bathroom. That's washing my bathroom. I need to do it. So that's going to be part of the list of things I do today. The durag on my head actually is to slick down because I did like a small slick down ponytail. My piercing, I've had this pierced since the beginning of this year, March or April. They refused to heal. I'm way over it at this point. If there's anyone that has anything I can do to heal my piercings, please let me know in the comment section because I've done everything. So firstly, when I just got it pierced, I won't lie, I have a very bad habit. Whenever I get piercings, especially the ear piercings, I tend to sleep on it. But still, bruh, at least you will heal first. Whatever. I've used all of this for my piercing and they have not healed. We are getting there. I've seen some progress, but still, I need a miracle. How have you guys been? I think I'm going to upload this right now as I'm speaking. The previous video I uploaded days ago on last Sunday, we are already on 111 views. Oh my god, guys, you guys are thank you guys so much. We're already on 111 views and I'm so happy. Guys, thank you so much. Ooh, it's been a while I slicked my hair back like this, but yeah. We're already on 111 views and I already have more subscribers. I'm on 62 subscribers right now. If I'm not mistaken, I will check again, but I'm always scared whenever I'm checking my analytics on YouTube Studio because I'm like, what's going on? Oh, no one's watching it. Oh my god. But now I can see you guys love me and I love you too. So take care everyone. I'll see you in the next few clips. Hey guys, so I just got back like few minutes ago and I'm just giving you guys the update of what happened today. I just have a question, like why is getting braces or getting anything dental done in the UK so expensive? And it's been a struggle, I swear to God, because I'm not really happy what I'm hearing today. The news I got from the orthodontist, I'm not really happy with it. Money's way out of my budget. Now I'm looking at getting it next year, not this year anymore, because I was really thinking of getting the braces this year, at least by December, and I can't do that anymore. You guys I'll probably just film when I probably get it next year. I'll film like an actual video of it and everything, but for now, this is going to be the state of my beautiful teeth. One more thing, guys. So yeah, this is the state of my room now. My bed is a mess, everything is a mess as well. So I'm going to also I'm thinking, what should I do first? Should I just start prepping the food first, come in, change my sheets, clean up my room? Then I don't know in which order I would do it, but I will do it however the spirit leads. But yeah. So basically, I'm going to be doing a little haul. I'm going to show you guys what I got from the market. I got 4 plantains. Also got 4 milk, 4 tin milk. I got tomato paste. I got some carrots. I also got broccoli. I got some pepper. I got this one, the longer ones. It's not as strong, so I got these ones as well. I got some fresh tomatoes. I got a big ass watermelon. This is everything I got from the market, and the price, although I know the price already, but let me just act like I don't know the price. So the price for everything is £19.73. And one more thing is, guys, I got some proteins. I got turkey and meat yesterday. Disclaimer, this is not a cooking tutorial. This is just me showing you the behind the scenes. So I'm not going to be showing you step by step on how I cook. I'm just going to be showing you the aesthetic part, not the part where I'm all staying perfect. Okay? So guys, I am done. I was able to get how many bottles? Like I got a lot of bottles. This is 4, 8. I was able to get 8 bottles. I'll show you everything now. 1 second. is currently 3:49. I'll put the time over here, but almost I'm still cooking, and after that I'm going to clean up my room and wash my bathroom, hopefully. But yeah, so that's just it. I just finished cooking the jollof rice. I love onions so much, and I made boiled veg. I think I overboiled the veg, to be fair. It's way overboiled. And I made some spiced meat. I made 2 plates, by the way, and also some eggs. So I'm going to be slicing this inside my jollof rice. This is where I'm going to end this vlog because I'm just too tired right now. I'm too tired to do anything. I just finished cooking, and right now I would rather just, try and get myself early to bed because I'm going to have to wake up very, 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 very early tomorrow morning to prepare myself for work. And right now, I don't even want to. I'm actually thinking of even sleeping by 8 o'clock. I have to be in bed by 8 o'clock. That's how early I need to wake up. I have to be in bed by 8 o'clock so I can wake up that early to prepare myself for work. I'll see you guys next week Sunday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.